A new class of reactionary Nietzscheans is based on the mimetic creations of online provocateur Bronze Age Pervert, a pastiche of Nietzsche-like parables, trollish social media posts, and images of muscular young men. BAP's persona has generated a diffuse following of devoted internet trolls, military personnel, edgy academics, politicians, and even a number of aides from the Trump White House who have been collectively dubbed BAPists. BAP's impious brand of pseudo-philosophy is more bluntly chauvinistic than anything coming out of the effective accelerationist sphere. The accelerationist camp is represented by tech bros and venture capitalists, a crowd that trades in glossy veneers and marketable slogans. BAP and his followers do away with such pretense. BAP's self-published Bronze Age mindset is rife with a brand of racism and misogyny that would have made Nietzsche blanch, and he relishes denouncing the turd world, or rather the third world, and its yeast-like zombie inhabitants. Larger-than-life bigotry is very much BAP's brand.